My community is finally changing. What a great set of words to hear.
After decades of rising crime and deteriorating fortunes in parts of America's most vibrant cities, the Ford Foundation and its allies stepped forward. And they established the Local Initiative Support Corporation to take what was, at the time, a really novel approach to addressing community challenges.
But fairly quickly, we came to realize that while you can build terrific housing and even make it affordable, if people don't feel safe in that housing, they're going to pick up and move as soon as they can.
15-year-old student was back home in Chicago. One afternoon, shortly after finishing her final exams, she was hanging out with her volleyball teammates in a park when a man mistook the group for a rival gang and fired shots at them. Young people who've done nothing wrong except being born in the wrong zip code.
Behind every statistic is a story. Behind every number is a name. And communities and neighborhoods know those names, and they know those families.
And so we came together with the Police Executive Research Forum and with initial support from the MetLife Foundation to create our Community Safety Initiative.
We can't do this work on our own. There's multiple challenges in the neighborhood, and there's no one group that can parachute in, so to speak, and change everything. It happens in a collaborative way.
Last week I was out chasing the drug dealers, and one of our community members comes out and is like shaking my hand, telling me like, yo, you better get them out of the park, they're back in the playground again. And you know, I knew that, okay, it's successful, because when the community's not afraid of the bad guys, we won.
LISC and its partners continue to stand on the front lines of this ongoing fight, bringing together a wide variety of stakeholders in areas of need across America, rallying neighborhood residents, police officers, housing authorities, community service providers, investors, and business owners to confront local challenges in a targeted and a highly collaborative manner.
It works. And why does it work? Because people feel safe, because people are comfortable being together. That's the difference that we, the police, make. That's the difference that groups and communities such as LISC support and lead. You count, you matter, and together we matter a lot. Thank you.